Right now, roughly 1 in 3 Americans has a hidden buildup of fat inside their liver. It's called MASLD, Metabolic Dysfunction-Associated Steatosis Liver Disease, or what most of us simply know as fatty liver disease. Here is the terrifying part: you can feel completely fine, have perfect energy levels, and still be walking around with a liver that looks like a marbled steak. There's no obvious pain, no dramatic warning signs, just fat slowly accumulating inside one of your most vital organs. But here's what most people don't realize. Your liver is the only organ in your body that can completely regenerate itself. Scientific research shows it is one of the most resilient organs in the human body, and with the right lifestyle changes, many people can significantly reduce liver fat and begin to see real improvements. Today, we are skipping the detox teas, the raw juice cleanses, and the expensive supplements. We are looking strictly at peer-reviewed science to give you the fastest, most effective protocol to reverse fatty liver naturally. Before we talk about solutions, we need to understand the real problem, because most people are blaming the wrong thing. For decades, people assumed fatty liver only happened to heavy drinkers. But today, the leading driver in the US is non-alcoholic, and it comes down to one specific biochemical mechanism: de novo lipogenesis. That's the scientific term for your body creating new fat directly from sugar. When you eat standard American processed foods, your body gets flooded with simple sugars. Your muscles and brain can handle glucose, but your liver is the only organ that can process fructose. The kind found in high fructose corn syrup, soda, sweetened coffee, and packaged snacks. When your liver gets overwhelmed with a massive wave of fructose, it doesn't know what to do with it. So it converts it directly into fat droplets, storing them inside your liver cells. Over time, that trapped fat triggers inflammation, which may contribute to scarring, known as fibrosis, and far more serious liver problems down the road. Think of your liver as your body's central processing center. Every single day it's working behind the scenes, removing toxins, managing blood sugar, processing fats, and keeping your metabolism running smoothly. When it gets clogged with fat, everything downstream suffers. If you want to reverse this fast, step 1 is non-negotiable. You have to turn off the fat faucet. This means eliminating liquid sugars for the next 30 days. Clinical studies show that cutting out sugar-sweetened beverages can lead to a significant reduction in liver fat in as little as 9 days, even without overall weight loss. That alone should tell you how powerful this single change is. When checking food labels, look for and avoid high fructose corn syrup, agave nectar, sucrose, any sweetened drink, including flavored waters and sports drinks. Replace them with water, black coffee, green tea. And here's a fact from the science that surprises most people. Clinical research shows that drinking 2 to 3 cups of coffee per day is actually highly protective of the liver. The antioxidants in polyphenol in coffee actively reduce fat accumulation and may lower the risk of liver scarring over time. That's one habit that works for you, not against you. Step 2 is about changing what and when you eat to trigger lipolysis, the biological process of breaking down stored fat. The fastest way to start emptying a fatty liver is to lower your circulating insulin levels. When insulin is high, your body is in fat storage mode. When insulin drops, your body is forced to pull energy out of storage, and it starts with the fat inside your organs. You can achieve this through 2 science-backed methods. Method 1, time-restricted eating. By compressing your eating window into an 8-hour period, for example, eating between 11 a.m. and 7 p.m., you give your body a 16-hour fasting window where insulin levels drop and your liver is forced to burn its own stored fat. Method 2, the Mediterranean-style diet. This is one of the most extensively studied eating patterns for metabolic and liver health, and for good reason. It works because it naturally addresses multiple root causes of fatty liver at the same time. Healthy fats from olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds replace the refined carbohydrates that spike insulin. Lean proteins from eggs, wild-caught salmon, chicken, Greek yogurt, beans, and lean meats support muscle maintenance and boost your metabolism. Fiber-rich foods, vegetables, berries, legumes, and whole grains, improve digestion and support healthier blood sugar control throughout the day. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts contain a compound called sulforaphane, which research shows actively improves liver enzyme levels and reduces oxidative stress. What you add to your plate matters just as much as what you remove. A liver-friendly eating pattern isn't built around one magic superfood. It's about the overall combination of nutrients working together to support your body's natural healing processes. Step 3 is movement, and here's the good news: you do not need to run a marathon. Studies published by the American Association for the Study of Liver Diseases confirm that both aerobic exercise and resistance training are highly effective at reducing liver fat. When you lift weights or take a brisk walk, your muscles immediately burn through glycogen, their stored sugar. To replenish that energy, your body starts pulling fat directly out of the liver and converting it into usable fuel. Your target: just 150 minutes of moderate activity per week. That breaks down to only 20 to 25 minutes per day of brisk walking, cycling, bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups. Walking is one of the most underrated tools available to you. A daily brisk walk can improve insulin sensitivity, help manage weight, and support better overall metabolism. When you add resistance training into the mix, the benefits multiply. Building muscle is powerful because muscle tissue helps your body handle glucose more effectively. More muscle means a better metabolic engine working for you around the clock. This is the step that most fatty liver videos completely skip, and it may be costing you real results. Sleep is not optional for liver health. Poor sleep affects the hormones that control hunger, specifically ghrelin and leptin, increasing cravings for high-sugar, high-fat foods and making weight management significantly harder. Research shows that sleep deprivation is directly linked to increased insulin resistance, the same mechanism that drives fat accumulation in the liver. Your liver also performs critical repair and detoxification processes while your body rests at night. If you are consistently sleeping less than 7 hours, you are interrupting those processes every single night. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of consistent, quality sleep. And don't underestimate chronic stress. Elevated cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone, influences eating patterns, disrupts hormone balance, and has been shown to worsen metabolic health and may contribute to increased liver fat over time. Simple daily habits that make a measurable difference. A daily walk, which also counts towards step 3. Deep breathing or meditation, even 5 minutes. A consistent sleep and wake schedule. Reducing screen time before bed. These aren't soft suggestions. The science backs them. Reversing fatty liver doesn't require a miracle drug or a miserable crash diet. It takes a strategic, science-backed approach, applied consistently over time. Step action timeline. Step 1: eliminate liquid sugars plus drink coffee/green tea. Start day 1. Step 2: eat Mediterranean style plus try time-restricted eating week 1. Step 3: 20 to 25 minute daily movement plus resistance training week 1. Step 4: prioritize 7 to 9 hours sleep plus manage stress daily. Start day 1. Studies show liver fat can begin measurably decreasing within days of making these changes. Your liver wants to heal. It was designed to regenerate. Give it the right inputs, consistently, and it will do the rest. If you are serious about your liver health, here is your challenge. Take the 30-day liver reset. Pick one of these steps to start with today, and drop a comment below with reset so I know you're in. If this video gave you real, actionable value, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this information reach more people who need it. And subscribe if you want science-backed health breakdowns delivered in plain English every week. No supplements to sell, no miracle cures, just the research. I'll see you in the next one.